Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's okay, this is my favorite video. So I'm doing today, I'm going to be doing a slime video. So you'll see what it's going to be. So yeah, yeah. Guys, I'm passing the card. It's so many. Okay, I've got it in my hands right now. So I'm going to do it. I'm gonna have my camera like face down like my table so you can see what I'm going to be doing with my phone. Actually, I really like it can take about like 5 minutes because I love it. Okay, so what you're also going to need is you need these because like you have to have the biggest one. Essentially, there we go. I love these handles. Small would be the best. Now I have my sink. Now I have to have small water. I have small cold water, like cold. And you have to get ice cream too, so that's nice. Right here. So when I'm doing it, I'll show you what you have to make sure this down. And then I just need clean the water. I'm gonna do it on that here. So cool. There's bubbles everywhere. Okay, I'm gonna show you okay guys, So I have this. So I have fastened the water and it's not that cold, the ice cream will happen. Then you have this to scoop out your Vaseline because this is how much Vaseline you need for it to work. You have 3 scoops of this. Or if you want like smaller 3 scoops, you use this one. If you use the booth one, you have to only have 2 scoops. Okay? So place that right there. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna put a cold ice cream right in water like that. You can stand it up like this if you want to, or you can just lay down. Do that. So I have a towel just in case your hands get a little wet or gets a little messy. So remember, this one if you want 2 scoops, this one 2 scoops, this one 3 scoops. So it was making the water really cold. Okay. We're doing it right now. So just gonna pour it. Put this right on the paper towel. Right there. Now open up the Vaseline 2 scoops. You don't have to you just have to make it like that. And you scoop it out with your hand and put it in. And then let's see if it's down what you do. But if it doesn't do it right, you did not do it right. Because whenever next time, I just do it like this. Because this is what you do. It's only like 2 ingredients. Slime. There's no glue, no borax, nothing like that. That's good. Because it's like home ingredients, like that you use for your body or that stuff. So I got another one. So yeah. So now what you do? You gotta use the bottom of this. So what you do? You just like cut it. You just mix. It's like it turns into slime. You don't have to put it in the refrigerator or nothing. It's not slime now because I barely mixed. So it's not slimy. I got another napkin. I'm just gonna put that right here. For it to come off, I just wipe it like that. And then take it like this, and then I just splattered paper in there. So soon, if you be patient, it turns into slime. It doesn't look like slime, okay? People, it doesn't look like slime. So when it turns like whitish, it's slime. Is that a break in the bowl? Oh no. Who else? Okay. Let's see if there's a break in the bowl. Whoa, it's slime now. Oh wait, no it isn't. A little bit more wetness, then it'd be good. Look at all that slime. Your hands gets really dirty for this slime. Just telling you that. Because look at mine. You gotta feel the slime. Make sure it's slime or something. yesterday was really good. Maybe I gotta put some more water. That's what I had to do yesterday. Oh, get off of me, because I have a lot of Vaseline, so I'm just gonna put some more water. Oh, that's a lot of water. Okay. Ooh, no. My hands are really dirty. So I'm just gonna swipe. I said swipe. Scrape off the Vaseline. So I'm gonna put this stuff away. So like it's Vaseline has something. So if anybody asks me, what are you making? I'm just gonna say, salt with water makes slime. Because it really does. It's literally turning into slime. As you can see, oh, it's slime now. Oh my god. Whoa. Well, that was literally water. It's literally slime though. It's a little sticky. Look at that. Let me put like a little bit sticky stuff. Just gonna clean off. Look how clean that was. While I'm doing this, I'm literally doing it. So it's literally like floating in the water.